Chakama yeyense moni gotokoya jaga korwase county ya Kisii awase abaorokia gusabari mu baisidi korwase serikali ya county ya Kisii babere bagotwara omogoko neye magega yo mugavana we county ya Kisii James Onkwae kobainekeri abuna nigo barachi komentwa MSR yabo na nene kuri kwa permanent ya serikali ya county ya Kisii.
The scheme of service that I had recommended when it was approved, I have now directed that it be implemented fully. The number of teachers, and it is at 3 levels. You have the first level, the certificate level. Those of you who have certificates. We have those of you who have diplomas, and we have those of you who have degrees. Out of this, we have 382 of you who have got certificates, 497 have got diploma, and 83 have got degree certificates. And for that I congratulate you, because I know quite a number of you, the diploma in the diplomate cadre, and a number of you, those who have certificates. I'm suspecting that quite a number of you are actually doing degree programs. Yes. So this scheme of service now, for those of you who have certificate, your current salary is 12,000. For those of you who have diploma and degree, it's at, because it was a nominal amount that was given, at 14. But the scheme now takes those of you who have certificate, it's moving your salary from 12,000 to 23,000. For the diploma, we are moving your salary from 14,000 to 31,730.